Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to go for our cross asset list. I will cover pound dollar, Bitcoin, dollar index. I will speak about gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with pound versus US dollar. So we had a rally yesterday, and there was a breakout of this consolidation in the hourly time frame. But after this climatic more rally, we can see here that there was a reaction from sellers. And now there is a chance for at least another downside swing. So you can see the daily time frame, we had a two low to high days. So there is a chance for a downside day to develop in downside movements. And I will say if we can re-break 1.2737, there will be a chance for a drop towards 1.2690 and 1.2670 mark. So pay attention this potential idea to the downside. The Bitcoin, things are developing pretty much like we expected. So there was a rejection of declining 20-day moving average or like a free bar balance, and the breakout of 62,000 was a good confirmation for the further downside movement. And now we can see that market is really testing, and it's very close to break this pin bar low at 56,700. We can see that momentum is pretty strong. It's so sellers are in total control in the last few days or so, and I don't see any significant sign of strength or reversal at this point. So downside continuation is very likely to happen, and you can see 56,700, and then in case the downside break and hold below, potential even for the 45 or 50,000 to be on test. On the dollar index, we can see that market is testing, and we have the weekly. So last week was a pretty much doji candle, and now we can see that we have more like a three-week balance at this point so far. And I would like to see, so the key support at this point is set at 105 mark. If the market can hold 105, there is a still chance for the upside movement and rotation, and at least a backup on an hourly time frame, at least 105.55 or 105.60. But if market can really break the pin bar low at 105.06, and there is a potential for the drop towards 104.60 mark. On a gold market, we're still in the heavy consolidation in the last 5 weeks, with the resistance at 2,390 and support at 2,287. And I will still watch for the breakout with consolidation to confirm the further directional move, the bigger directional move. On the crude oil, we can see that after the breakout, there was an immediate doji candle reaction, and then we have more like a balancing environment here on the weekly time frame. This is already fourth week upside week, but last week close was in the middle, and so far this week we can see that there is some supply that's coming. So this is not any significant strength at this point. RL is all over the place at this point. So markets can still build more consolidation, maybe even go back down to the previous consolidation around 82 mark or so. So I would like to give more time for the market to develop and then watch for the eventual breakout of this consolidation. And speaking of the NASDAQ 100, we had a pullback of the rising 10-day and 20-day, and the new all-time high on the NASDAQ 100. And we can see that market is trying to break this two-week balance, two-week consolidation. RL is just holding pretty much tight consolidation after this hourly breakout from yesterday. And if that's the case, if we don't see any bigger supply, so buyers can still keep going, we can place maybe we can use our Fibonacci expansion tool. So for example, we can take the most recent significant lows, highs, and here at this point, so 161.8 Fibonacci expansion is at 20,000, almost 20,500 mark, which can be the next pivot based on this most recent price action in the hourly time frame. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.